Hello friends, this is solved question paper of RPSC school lecturer, subject English, second paper, and here you will get 150 questions. And here question number 1 is please pass me blank more sugar. So sugar is uncountable. Okay. So correct option is second, some. Please pass me some more sugar. Second question, blank grain she had was destroyed by the floods. So point number 1, grain is uncountable. Okay. And that she had means विशेष हो गया. Okay, special. So the little, option 3, the little. Question number 3, she said he was blank employee of Pawan Gas Company. So use an employee in the first blank. Okay. And in second, the विशेष है in a particular gas company, Pawan Gas Company. So it should be the. Question 4, I will not sanction you blank loan this year. And here correct option is negative or interrogative. अगर statement है तो use any. Then question number 5, words beginning with a silent H require, ठीक है, वोवल साउंड होगा अगर so use N. Next question number 6, he blank for 5 weeks when they had to summon the doctor. Second option is the correct answer, had been fasting. ठीक है, they had दिया हुआ तो past है तो past ही होगा. So had been fasting. Question 7, how long blank waiting for the officer now. So now this is present. So how long have you been? How long have you been? Question 8, the last train blank the station at 5:30 a.m. This is simple present tense. ठीक है. So lives. Next question 9, he used to visit us every week but he rarely means simple present. ठीक है, rarely. So comes. Option 3 is the correct option. Then question 10, if you blank a little longer you might have caught the last bus. So might have caught, this is something that could be happened in the past. So here correct option should be had waited. In that speech, question 11, I never ask you to do it. Sorry, as directed. So इसको क्या करना है, इंटरोगेटिव में चेंज करना है. I never ask you to do it. Change never into ever. So here correct option is option 3, did I ever. ठीक है, सिंपल पास्ट है तो did यूज करेंगे. Did I ever ask you to do it? Question 12, nothing succeed like success, interrogative. And correct option is does anything succeed like success? Option 3. Question 13, the stranger said to a passerby. अब इंटरोगेटिव स्टेटमेंट है तो आस्क्ड. Okay, the stranger asked a passerby if he could tell him how far the station was from. Here को चेंज करो देयर में. So option second is the correct option. Question 14. One cannot gather grapes from uh, thistles passive voice. तो grapes ऑब्जेक्ट होगा, ठीक है, और कैन मॉडल है तो बी लगाइए. क्लियर. सो grapes कैन नॉट बी गैदर्ड फ्रॉम thistles. ऑप्शन थर्ड इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. क्वेश्चन 15. ऋषभ वॉज पनिश्ड फॉर हिज डिसोबीडियंस. कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाना है तो कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए बिकॉज और एज का यूज करते हैं. क्लियर. सो ऋषभ वॉज पनिश्ड बिकॉज ही वॉज डिसोबीडियंस. ऑप्शन थर्ड. 16 क्वेश्चन. ही ब्लैंक टॉक अबाउट नथिंग बट फिल्म्स. सो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैबिट है, इसके लिए क्या यूज करेंगे? विल. ही विल टॉक about nothing but films. 17 question. You blank carry out my instruction immediately. Command है तो command के लिए must. Then question number 18. I blank not take such a risk. So take a challenge, it means dare. Question 18 correct option is third, dare. 19. The tiger blank be anywhere near the village. Habitat, possibility, and for possibility use can. Question 20. There was a time when I blank swim for hours. Past habit. Okay, for past habit use could. And next correct preposition. Rina is desirous visiting Switzerland. So desirous always take off. desirous के साथ में हमेशा क्या आता है? ऑफ. वॉन्टेड सोल्जर फेल. तो गिरने के सेंस में मूवमेंट अगर है तो इनटू, फेल इनटू. मूवमेंट नहीं है तो इन. क्लियर. सो वॉन्टेड सोल्जर फेल इनटू द डिच मीन्स गड्ढे में गिरा. द ब्रिटिश conquered इंडिया बिकॉज द इंडियन प्रिंसेस quarreled themselves अब अमोंग. ठीक है. प्रिंसेस जो है मोर देन टू, इट मीन्स अमोंग. दो के बीच में तो between and more than two, among. The environment in this school is conducive blank learning. So conducive to, conducive always takes two. Then question 25. The doctor advised him to abstain blank smoking. Okay, so abstain from smoking. Now she was deceived by his sweet words. Which idiom? So deceived by means taken in. Okay, deceived. deceived by means phrasal verb जो सेम मीनिंग हो तो टेकन इन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. गिफ्ट ऑफ गैब मीन्स द फॉलोइंग. तो गिफ्ट ऑफ द गैब जो है एक इडियम है और इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? ए टैलेंट फॉर स्पीकिंग. ओके, टैलेंट फॉर स्पीकिंग और टॉकिंग. बोलने का जो टैलेंट है उसके लिए इस इडियम को यूज करते हैं, गिफ्ट ऑफ गैब. The war was completely destroyed the countryside. Replace the underlined word with a phrasal verb. So completely destroyed के लिए क्या यूज करेंगे? Wiped out. Okay, option third is the correct option. Question 29. When the lady entered the house, she found everything was at sixes and sevens. तो इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? Sixes and sevens idiom है and it means in disorder or confusion. Question 30 ग्रामर का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. And he blank completely on hearing about his daughter's death. So broke down should be the correct option. Clear. टूट जाना एक तरह से. broke down. Option 1. So these were 30 questions based on grammar. Okay. Rest of the questions we will do in next video. So thank you for watching.